it is. It's your boy Stunner Reese, man, aka World Tour Reese, aka Wide Body Reese, aka Wild Boy Reese, you know what I'm saying? Aka Red Eye Reese, you know what I'm saying? Aka Miami Reese, because I'm on my way to Miami right now, man. But you know I had to stop in the A and kick it with my brother, man, Toro 704, man. We out here, man.
At the top of the class on a roll, and it's time to run it up, yeah, you know. Maxed out, put the pedal to the floor, ayy, on the road, here we go.
What is going on YouTube? I am back with another video, you guys, and I'm bringing you my first car meet from Atlanta, you guys. I've been crazy busy with work, but I'm meeting up with my guy Stunner Reese here in Atlanta. Now, you guys know World Tour Reese. This man is on the road constantly doing his thing, so make sure you check out his channel at Stunner Reese, right? But you guys know, before anything, we just hit 3,000 subs, all right? I can't thank you guys enough, man. So if you haven't, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscription button, hit that notification bell. Everything 1320 happens on this channel. People are gonna start rolling in soon. Let's dive into it. And if you guys know this car, right, you know who is here, you guys. And of course, you guys always know when I see a pair of those, that always happens, you guys. He has got the C8 out and headed down to Miami, you guys. Now, this is the first time I have ever seen his C8 in person. I've only seen it through social media. He normally brings out Drac, but it's super crazy to see this in person. The gold 4Gs with this car are absolutely wild. With the satin black wrap, the carbon fiber accents, this is crazy. This actually kind of makes me want a C8. Shout out to Relly Rails and E-Vapors on the C8 as well. Congrats on that. But man, this thing looks good, man. But you can see, got Stunner Reese vlogging over there, you guys. We'll get to that point. But man, let's get into a montage of this thing.
Boots brown on Miley when I pop out like lightning. Polished, briefcase, no wallet. Just blew a bag like Scotsman. Killed that in the AM, going real fast. UK honey at the drill that bondsman. Bailed out, no conflict. Might have said I love her, but I never made a problem.
You guys see this crazy Corvette behind me, man. Again, if you know me, at the end of the day, I'm an LS person. Want a Cadillac, want a Corvette. Shout out to Corvette Ken, you guys. This thing is crazy. The gold rims, like I said, really make this pop. And shout out to Stunner for actually having to go all the way from Dallas to Chicago to pick up the car and then bring it back down here. Like I said, you guys, World Tour Reese is a real thing, man. But let's go over and holla at Stunner here shortly. I'll let a few people get here, man. This is a last minute pop-up, but you guys can see Stunner holds some weight everywhere he goes, right? But let's get into it. All right, what we about to get, man?
Toro, man, we about to do that MTV Cribs, man, tour. Vino to Don, man. Hey. World's first tour, man.
We better see what's up, man.
Hey. Nobody else ever got this tour, man. All right, man. Welcome to my crib, man. It's Vino to Don, man. All right, man. Right here, man. We got my living room. Hey, man. Hey, living room right here. Y'all see it, man. Hey, excuse the trash, man. My maid didn't come in today, man, but it's all good, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, my living room right here. We got my dining room right here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I see it.
We got my bedroom right here. You know what I'm saying? We got the kitchen over there. You feel me? You feel me? We got the 80-inch on the screen. You know what I'm saying? On the wall.
He decked out.
Got my moon roof, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Up here we got my closet right here in this bag. You know what I'm saying?
He make it work.
Yes, sir. Got my entertainment system right there.
Make it work.
You feel me? Yes, sir. I got my storage right here, compartment right here. So, yeah.
Hey, let everybody.
My security.
Hey, make sure he got it on there.
Got my security, you know what I'm saying?
My channel good for it.
We good, man.
Hey, Stunner Reese living kind of nice in that car, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I've actually never seen the inside of Vino, so that was crazy to actually be literally the first person to see it. He has actually not debuted it on the internet or anything like that. So it's kind of wild, right? Definitely has a nice little setup to be on the road, but that's what it takes to be World Tour Reese, you guys.
I take my garage everywhere I go. You know what I'm saying?
Nice little garage. Actually, you got a nice little garage.
Nice little setup.
So.
Got my light for the garage just in case you get dog. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you gonna fix it if it mess up. I'm gonna be right outside beating, banging on this motherfucker, whatever I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? I'm a real one. So.
I might go get a C8 after seeing this, you guys. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a C8 or a Corvette in general on the channel, you guys.
Everybody shout y'all things out one more time.
I gotta get all y'all your face for at least.
Hey, check this out, man. He full live, got the TV, the setup.
Hey, I told y'all I was a fan, bro.
Hey, check that out, man. Stunner Reese.
Y'all see what he got playing on the
Stunner Reese, man.
No video that just dropped.
Yes, sir.
Hey, y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. That's crazy. All right, you guys. I am finally pulling in the house, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the in-depth look of that crazy C8 that Stunner Reese has, man. It's one of the nicest looking C8s that I've seen, and I've been around a few, right? Now, biggest thing is, man, I cannot thank Stunner Reese enough for showing love and coming all the way out to ATL. You know, it's one of those things, every time he's around, man, the vibe is always good, right? But if you haven't already, again, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and check out a few of my videos, man. I have everything from drag racing, car mods, anything car related, right? About to put the beast up, and we are out.